Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Spotify offline mode is not working. If you're using Spotify and you're facing the issue that your Spotify offline mode is not working or your Spotify downloaded for songs are not playing, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to open your App Store or Play Store. Here go for search and search for Spotify. And you just have to make sure that your Spotify app is up to date. There's no any pending update for your Spotify app. If you find, just try to update your app. After updating, you have to simply go back and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a force restart with your iPhone or with your Android phone to prevent any kind of issue or any software glitch. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press on the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so there's the only way. Just go to Settings app. And here, go to General. Go to iPhone storage. Just look for Spotify app. And you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete your app. So in the case of offloading or deleting, you have to try to reinstall the app, and after reinstallation, if there will be any bug or any malware, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.